Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of tomatoes. Today, I'm going to reveal my top secrets for growing bigger, juicier tomatoes that will make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Hi, everyone. I can't wait to share my tomato planting masterclass with you. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, you're about to discover everything you need to know to grow amazing tomatoes. Let's dive right in. 1. Choosing the right tomato varieties. First, pick the perfect tomato varieties for your space and climate. For small areas, try Roma or patio tomatoes. If you have more room, go for beefsteak or cherry varieties. Experiment to find your favorites. 2. Preparing the soil. Now, let's prep your soil for those tomato plants. Add compost or well-rotted manure to nutrient-rich soil. Aim for loose, well-draining soil. Check your soil. It should be slightly acidic. 3. Planting tomatoes. Time to get those tomatoes in the ground. Dig deep and bury the stem horizontally for strong roots. Space plants 18 to 36 inches apart. 4. Watering and feeding. Keep your tomatoes hydrated and well fed. Water at the base regularly and use a balanced fertilizer. 5. Pruning and supporting. Prune and support your plants for healthy growth. Remove suckers and use stakes or cages. 6. Dealing with pests and diseases. Tackle pests and diseases naturally. Use neem oil for pests and improve airflow for diseases. 7. Harvesting and enjoying your tomatoes. Finally, the best part. Let's talk harvesting those delicious tomatoes. Harvest when firm and fully colored. Store at room temperature. And that wraps up my tomato planting masterclass. I hope you're feeling inspired to grow your own amazing tomatoes. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your tomato growing adventures. Until next time, happy gardening.